Hold there, man. Don't move from this, man.
One officer.
How are this, sir?
Yo, sir, you know, sir, let's look a cigarette still.
Cigarette. A new type of cigarette, them, yeah?
Yeah, man. Make a China, you know?
Anyway, you know, so me have to go lock you up, though.
Oh, officer.
So what you can do for help yourself?
No,
I lock me out for lock you up, you know.
Go buy still and I say me I go to milk for B.
Say you don't have no money?
No, say no, say me not no money though.
Say yeah, me know, how can I afford that?
No, say rice and chicken though.
Rice and chicken.
Yeah,
Let me see it, yeah, what I go on tonight. Smell kind of good. Anyway, I'll let you go today, you know. Still did the boy. Show you a thing or two.
No, officer, man, I want my food, you know.
You want back your food? Alright. I'll give you back your food. How you look hungry? Police.
Yo, man, I want back them food now, yo. Man, I want this, you know. Hold on for that.
Hey boy, how you do? Eh? That's what lock up a boy, you know.
What you mean I want me to do, officer?
I go lock turn on with the hand back of you. What clock boy is? Boy, disrespect police. You don't even go upon me back. I don't make sure teach you a lesson. Come down here, son. Don't even go upon me back. You look frozen over. Nah, give him no more length. Come up here, son. I want you to try escape, boy. We are got a station. Boy, look frozen looking like. I think me have put up on me back this time. Hello, baby. A minute then, huh? Hey, boy, you better don't move. Look at the baby. Give me a minute there. You move so speedy. You move, sir. The police attack to you. Come here, man. Alright, just slow down now. Hey, boy, you better don't move there. Yo, watch it from here. Boy, you better don't move from here, you know. I can't go lock you up tonight, you know. Stop me. You know, baby.
You know, get the Empress there, you know.
Yeah, baby. God, look at man. Lord, you know, baby, look here now. You know, yeah, baby, sir. You know something like you do.
You really know.
So you have a man.